When you want to make something special for someone that you love on Valentine's Day or really any time, these raspberry cream cheese heart tarts are full of love throughout. To make them, you're going to take whipped cream cheese. You could also use softened regular cream cheese, but I just find that the whipped cream cheese is a lot easier to work with. Then you're going to take raspberries. You can take fresh raspberries or you can take frozen defrosted and put them in. And then you're going to put in some honey. So I like to just do a big dollop. You want to taste your raspberries first because sometimes that'll determine how much you're going to add, but usually about a tablespoon. And then you're just going to take a fork and mash it all up. Okay. So we've got that, I'm gonna set it aside. And now this is the fun part. We're gonna work with pastry. You could make your own pie pastry dough or you can buy it prepared, but you wanna just roll it out. And then this is a little trick just to make sure it doesn't stick. Just gonna sprinkle a little flour. It's so pretty, it looks like snow. And then I like to just give it a little extra roll just to make sure that you can use every little bit. Okay, take your heart cutter, and it can be really any size, but I find about this, like 2 to 3 inches across, is the best way to make these. You want to make sure to get as many hearts as possible to space them evenly, just like that. Okay, take this off. So now you're going to take a dish and fill it just with a little bit of water. And here's what you do. Just take your little finger, brush right here. This water is going to act as our glue, okay? And then you're going to take a bit of that delicious raspberry cream cheese mixture and just put it in the center. I know you're going to have that feeling that you want to overfill it, because I have that feeling too, but just make sure that you add just a few teaspoons. And then we're just going to put another one of the pieces right on top and just press the sides. And then take a fork, just like that, any old fork, and take little tines, just like this. Aren't they so cute? And then just transfer them to a parchment or silpat lined baking sheet. 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes until they're golden. Now that the heart tarts are baking, I'm gonna show you how to make dye-free raspberry icing. So what you wanna do is take a little sieve like this, and you're just gonna pour in some of those raspberries. These are frozen raspberries that I defrosted, and the reason is they're extra juicy. It just doesn't work as well with fresh raspberries. Just look at that bright red juice already coming out of those raspberries. Now is the fun part. We're gonna add some of our powdered sugar. So this is just confectioner sugar. Just pour it right in and start mixing it up. And what you're looking for is just a nice glaze. After the heart tarts have baked, take them out of the oven, let them cool, and now it's time to put that icing on them. So just put a little icing and you'll be shocked at how quick it spreads and how a little bit goes a long way. And you're just making a heart shape, and you'll see after you put it on, it'll start to freeze up and just set. A little bit of love in every bite. For the full recipe, go to Weelicious.com.